Hello fellow steamers, St. Paul's team here with my latest creation. It is a 7070 and I think she's about ready to go. Pressure gauge is lifted. And there's one engine. And number two. Alright. We got her good and soppy. Let's take a little bit closer look around. Right back. Alright, this is quite a bit of an older beginnings. This is back in the 50s, the original part anyway. The one on the left is a little bit more modern. You see we have one of my 0 to 30 psi or 0 to 2 bar pressure gauges. The boiler has been nickel plated, brand new, professionally done. And the firebox, it's an old vented one that Jensen made, and they put a little tin cover over it like they did back in the day. They didn't waste anything. It's kind of unique. It's been bead blasted and repainted with nice high gloss black paint. And we've got a new chimney stack, and we've got a special ID tag. It says 7070 on it. I'm trying to catch it this way. And modifications by St. Paul's team. And it's got a strong heater in it. There's tissue in as well. Alright folks, thanks for looking. You have a nice day.